Hey, look over here. You can't go potty. Hey, look, he's going potty. There's Mario and Louis. Hey, wait, the little boy's going pee too. Purple pants.
Have you seen one? No. My son pulled pins back there.
What? Oh, when Thomas was a little bit bigger, we'll bring him here.
They have 9 heads to take care of.
9?
Each head to take care of a lot of people.
Little Bo Peep lost her sheep. She's crying. That's a Sleeping Beauty. Yeah. Curious George. Curious George, the man with the yellow hat.
People been in their dooryard today like it's all beat right down.
Dang. Snow White.
Snow White. It's hard tonight. I don't have nothing on me. Shit there.
I don't have nothing in it. My phone's with me.
That's all these together.
Yeah. Johnny Appleseed. John Carpenter. Pikachu. John Carpenter.
Daddy, you make him go.
Hello, kitty. It's all about paper.
3 blind mice.
They must design this all on computer before they set it up.
But every year they got to change the pumpkin heads.
Yeah.
Well, she got a big knife. Oh, ran after him with a carving knife. Cut off their tails with a carving knife. Remember, 3 blind mice. See how they run.
Why did they cut the tails off them?
They were all run after the farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife.
Oh, that's
Have you ever seen such a sight in your life as 3? Okay, that's enough. 3 blind mice. The farmer's wife cut off their tails with a carving knife, see? Do they have tails? See? I told you. They got all these, but the kids probably don't know the stories. He went and chucked it.
No.
This old woman that lived in a shoe, all she did was make kids.
They don't teach them in school.
No, I know.
Right.
Look at the baby in it.
Set with the first graders and do that stuff with them.
Yeah. They really have a shoe out there out west that you can visit. A great big one.
Go handle worry what something on the Pega World Wood Go.
Huh. That little boy. He's gone now.
He's talking to you.
There's a little boy talking to you.
What did he say?
He said something about the pumpkin to you. Little Miss Muffet, she sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. There's King Tut. This is the cow jumped over the moon, and he ran away with a spoon. Hey, Bob, you missed the pound puppies. The cow jumped over the moon.
I had that on my 1969 food.
You did? I don't know this story, huh? I know the cow jumped over the moon. Is this part of the cow jumped over the moon? They need little signs on there that tell me.
Smell.
Well, it's probably where they keep these in mothballs because they don't want the stuff to get ruined. She's deheaded. They took her head off.
They probably don't undress them.
Yeah. What's this story, Bob? Do you know it? This got to be an old story. They need to put little signs here to tell me the story because
the kid right there got no head.
I know. Cut her head off. That's scary.
Excuse us, sorry. Thank you.
I don't know yet. I'm not done yet over here.
Oh, I got $10 to my name.
There's a $6 pile, Bob.
Is that neat?
Yeah, that's pretty.
I'll put that back right side. Huh? What? Pictures? Yeah. Oh, you're not doing that. I don't care.
You even have $4 pumpkins. Is it soft?
Yeah.
It is soft.
Really nice. Oh man, I can't.
I'm pulling on that.
You did? Oh, look at the gingerbread house. You're not done yet, Bob. Old Mother Hubbard looked in her cupboard to find her poor doggy a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare. And so the poor doggy had none. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. There's Chip. It's scary. Yeah, he's from the house. Here's Clifford, the big red dog. There's you know. Can't think of the name right now, but you know, there's Frozen. And there's the snowman. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Little Red Riding Hood.
That's Randall over there. Did he eat her?
Yeah, he ate her up.
That's holding me.
Little Red Riding Hood. My, what big teeth you have, she said.
Hi, Doc. Put your narration.
Why? Be good, Bob.
Hey, what's that Jack person you like? What's that from? Jack the Skeleton? I don't know. What is it? Is it you probably don't know.
What's wrong? We did not.
What about this one over here?
Rubby-dub-dub, 3 men in a tub. That's 3 men in a tub. That's 3 men in a tub. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One jumped up. Oh, Boobo, Boobo, Boobo.
I need a chainsaw.
5 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. What's the rest of the story? Do you remember it? 5 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. Oh, come on, Bob. Pocahontas. It's 5 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie, but I can't remember the rest of it. There's the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. And there's the monkeys and the witch. Tin Man. Dorothy's got Toto. Now, Bob, look, we got to start bringing Thomas here next year because we're going to grow him from the small all the way up.
Alice would do that at Hershey Park.
No, we do it here.
I hate to do that at Hershey Park. Come down and the girls they run up to them right when we got to Hershey Park.
Yeah.
You want to admit it, but you went to Toronto and you can't wait to get back to Niagara Falls.